The Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education Theory Examination began this morning. Students sat for their mathematics paper in the morning, followed by a chemistry paper, which is the last one for this day. Meanwhile, Education Cabinet Secretary Amina Mohamed says a teacher in Wajir has been arrested in connection with the pregnancy of a teenager.
Form 4 candidates from across the country began writing their theory examinations today. Education stakeholders as well as partners from different departments witnessed the opening of containers and distribution of the examination papers. Education Cabinet Secretary Amina Mohamed was in Mombasa to witness the same. The Education CS saying the government was keen on addressing the issue of teenage pregnancies and speaking of a teacher in Wajir who has been accused of impregnating a student.
It's really sad too that those that we are supposed to protect, we don't protect. And we allow them, right, to be exposed to elements that they're too early, right, to get involved in or to be exposed to.
In Baringo County, 4 candidates are sitting for their examination at Baringo County Referral Hospital. 2 of them are new mothers while the other 2 are sick.
There are 2 here.
A nurse at the hospital says the 2 candidates from Kaptimbor Day Secondary and Timboyo Day Secondary schools were brought in yesterday with labor pains. They delivered last night.
And they're in stable condition. The newborns are in the maternity ward, they're in the nursery department. Yeah, and they're all stable.
The other sick candidates are from Pemwai Girls and Kasokol Girls High School.
Ultrasound pia ikatoa results sawa na zilikuwa kwa x-ray. Mtoto tena akapewa madawa zingine. Akashinda na hizo dawa, kufika kesho yake asubuhi ikawa mtoto hata hajiwezi.
And one had some issues of diabetes and she experienced some bleeding.
Education Principal Secretary Belio Kipsang has ordered extra vigilance in examination supervision in Kisii. Kipsang, who supervised the opening of a container in Kisii County, said the ongoing upgrading of technical institutions will enable all candidates secure placements for further studies.
We only say that we are giving an eye surveillance because we were seeing certain activities that we thought were not going to assist us in administering a clean examination. And since that time, we have been taking corrective measures.
Over 660,000 candidates are sitting this year's Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education examinations that will last for 18 days. Sharon Baranga, NTV.